what a treat we have today. 1958 Chevy Cameo pickup, Restomod. We've got a 6.2 liter Vortec V8 under the hood, mildly built, power 4-wheel disc brakes, power steering, AC, power seats, tilt, CD player. I mean, you name it, this thing's got all the modern features you could ask for. Got a screen over the top I just showed that acts as a backup camera, but you can also see out your back window the whole time you're driving. Nice sound system, very, very high-end build here. You can see the reflection in the hood, everything we're driving past. I mean, super, super high-gloss paint job, very straight truck, runs and drives phenomenal. Decoded digital gauges. They don't actually flicker, that's just because it's on video that they look like they're flickering. If you want to see more pictures and information of this truck, you can go to survivor-cars.com. Make sure you subscribe for all the latest inventory and content. And as always, we thank you for watching.